Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. So, kids, today is our last topic of EVS, that is say no to plastic. Okay, so today we will discuss about this topic, say no to plastic. So, today is 12th February 2021. Which month is going on? February. Okay, so, kids, first let me tell you what is a plastic. Do you know that what is plastic? We all are using plastic in one or the other form. The table, chair, sometimes glasses, yes, poly bags. So, these are the things that are made of plastic. So, plastic is basically a material that is made by the people and can be formed into any shape. तो बच्चों प्लास्टिक एक ऐसा मटेरियल होता है जो किसी भी फॉर्म में उसको हम चेंज कर सकते हैं. Okay, it can be glass, it can be poly bag, and we all know that it is very convenient to carry, store things in plastic bags. तो बच्चों हम लोग जो प्लास्टिक बैग्स होते हैं उनको कोई भी सामान रखने के लिए बहुत यूज़ करते हैं, राइट. बट आपको पता है द यूज़ ऑफ प्लास्टिक इज़ वेरी डेंजरस. यस, प्लास्टिक यूज़ करना बहुत ही खतरनाक होता है because they are non-biodegradable, because plastic is non-biodegradable. Now what is non-biodegradable? Means not capable of broken down into smaller products. Means जो प्लास्टिक होता है वो छोटे छोटे pieces में broke down नहीं होता है. By the action of living organisms, it will not break down into smaller products. Okay, so plastic, use of plastic, it become one of the biggest environmental hazard. जब हम प्लास्टिक यूज़ करते हैं तो वो हमारे एनवायरनमेंट के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा खतरनाक बनता जा रहा है. पता है आपको कि हम जो डेली यूज़ में हम पॉली बैग्स यूज़ करते हैं, हम वाटर बॉटल्स यूज़ करते हैं, जो भी प्लास्टिक से बना हुआ चीज़ हम यूज़ करते हैं वो हमारे एनवायरनमेंट के लिए एक खतरनाक साबित हो सकता है. वो हमारे एनवायरनमेंट को ख़राब कर सकता है. ओके, यू शुड नो दिस. So, my dear kids, when we dispose it, it will take hundreds of years. Means when you use the plastic bag and you throw it in the dustbin, it will not decompose. It will take hundred of years to decompose. And it is very, very harmful for waterways, for land and animals. When we throw plastic anywhere, as I told you that it will not break down into smaller pieces. So what happen? Sometimes animals eat them. Yes, sometimes aquatic animals eat them. Sometimes it goes down the soil. It mixes with the soil. So it is very, very harmful. Okay, so if we burn them, अगर हम इनको जला देते हैं, ठीक है, तब भी ये जो है हमारे एनवायरनमेंट के लिए बहुत हार्मफुल है. वाई? बिकॉज बर्निंग देम एमिट्स टॉक्सिक गैसेस. बहुत टॉक्सिक गैसेस निकलती हैं अगर हम प्लास्टिक को बर्न करते हैं. दैट ऑल्सो हार्म एटमॉस्फेयर एंड इन टर्म हार्म अस बिकॉज वी इनहेल, yes, we inhale air. So if there is toxic gases in the air and if we inhale तो it will harm us, right? अगर हम प्लास्टिक को जला देंगे, बिकॉज मैंने जैसे आपसे कहा कि इसको जो है डिकम्पोज करने में डिकम्पोज करते हैं तो इसको बहुत सारे साल लग जाते हैं, राइट, इसको डिकम्पोज होने में. तो अगर हम इसको जला देंगे वो भी एक ऑप्शन नहीं है, बिकॉज जलाने से प्लास्टिक में से टॉक्सिक गैसेस निकलती हैं. And do you know around 1 lakh of animals killed every year by consuming plastic bags? Because as I told you, sometimes we throw something, some food material in plastic and the animals, they eat it as it is, right? Because they are not capable of taking the food product out of it and they eat it, and then it, what happened? It kills lakh of animals every year. So first, plastic is non-biodegradable, means not capable of being broken down. Second, if we burn, it will release toxic gases. and also it do not degrade in the soil. As I told you, it do not degrade in the soil, and it also cause soil pollution. अगर मिट्टी में अगर ये मिल जाता है तो ये soil pollution create करता है. उससे क्या होगा? उससे plant growth नहीं कर पाएंगे. Plant की growth नहीं होगी तो हमें food नहीं मिल पाएगा, right? और अगर if we throw this plastic bags in water, sometimes there are rivers, oceans, if we throw plastic bags in water, then aquatic animals that lives in water they will die. So aquatic animals, they will die if we throw it in the water. So see, देखिए कितना ज़्यादा नुकसान है प्लास्टिक को यूज़ करने का, right? It is non biodegradable. Yes, first it is non biodegradable. If we burn it, it will emit toxic gases, right? And if it do not degrade in the soil, so cause soil pollution. And if we throw it in the water, then aquatic organisms living in the river will die. So kids, it should be banned completely. हमें इसको completely ban कर देना चाहिए जिससे कि हमारा environment protect हो सके. So we should ban it completely to protect our environment. Okay, so say, I say no to plastic bags. So use of plastic bag, we should say no to plastic bag, and instead of using plastic bag we can use cloth bag, jute bag, right? Now I say no to plastic glasses. So when we go in any parties, you see there are so many people, they use plastic glasses. So we should say no to plastic glasses. I say no to plastic folders, even the folders that we are using to keep our papers. So we should say no to plastic folders. I say no to plastic bottles. Also, kids, the bottles, they are made of plastic. So we should not use plastic bottles because it is non-biodegradable. It is not capable of broken down, and it will take hundreds of years. It will take hundreds of years. Okay. Now next is, I say no to plastic straws. Now if you observe these days, paper straws are available in various restaurants. So we should say no to plastic straws. I say no to plastic spoons and forks. Now you can see that there are plastic forks and spoons are available in the market. We should say no to means we have to say no to all the materials that is made of plastic. Okay. So this is about the topic. Now there is one exercise. So don't forget to put the date on the top, 12th February 2021. What you have to do, you have to write yes or no. Whether here they are using plastic, so we will say yes, and if they are using plastic, we say no, and if they are not using plastic, we say no to plastic. So here the boy is drinking water in a plastic glass, so we should say no, we should not drink water in a plastic glass. Now the girl, she is using plastic fork, plastic spoon, so we should say no to plastic spoons and fork. Here the boy is drinking water from the plastic bottle, so we should say no to the plastic bottles. And in this picture, see, this woman is carrying a cloth bag. This is not made of plastic. Yes. So we should say yes to the cloth bag. We should say yes, we should use cloth bag. We should not use plastic material. Here the girl is eating, and there is a plate which is made up of plastic. So we should say no to this. Now in next one, if you can see, the girl is eating from a plastic lunch box that is made of a plastic. So we should say no to plastic tiffin. Okay. So this is about this activity. So you have to say yes or no according to the picture. Okay, kids. So put the date on the top and do this exercise and watch this video which is about say no to plastic. Watch this video twice, thrice and try to read these lines. Okay kids, bye bye, take care and have a very nice day. Bye bye.